There it is. Just in time.
Got nothing.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. In today's video, we're gonna knock out ripping the rest of this block apart and we're gonna see what the bottom end looks like. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you watch to the end of all our videos to see what we're doing next week. So stick around. All right, so first what we're gonna do is we're gonna knock out draining the oil pan. So if we can do it. There it is. And then we're gonna take off the oil filter once it's drained a little bit. Let's see how messy this is gonna be. And then, after we get this done, oh, there it is. Doesn't look too bad. I don't see any shine to it. Obviously, there's a little bit of water in it just because we took apart the top end. But otherwise, it looks pretty good. And then once it's done, we're gonna take out the filter, and then we're gonna start taking apart the water pump and getting that done. All right, so that is not how you do it. Usually they come off because they're hand tight, but in our case it wasn't. Sometimes that's because of age, it's been sitting there and the gasket's dried out. Others it's because they didn't pre-lube the gasket, putting it on so it sticks, it like cements on. But now we're gonna hit up the front end, we're gonna take off a couple things, and we're gonna drop this water pump. So let's do it. Well, that's out. So that's the water pump for you. And then next, I think we're gonna see if we can drop the oil pan and see what kind of damage we have in the bottom of this block, if we have any. Let's pray. There it is. Just in time.
Got nothing.
All right, so we got it flipped over, and now we're gonna take the oil pump. We got a better look at the oil filter and how bad we screwed that up. So then oil filter, and then we're gonna start stripping the heads out of this thing. So let's hit it. right, so first we're gonna take off these pulleys. We're gonna do the 3 outsides first. Thank you, John, the supervisor who's here, who's telling us how to do it. So there's one. Yeah. All right, you're right.
Yeah, I know I'm right.
It's like you've done this before.
Okay.
All right, so we finally got that dowel pin out. It was like seized on there from years of just being on there. It has just been a day of failures today, which every good restoration man knows that's gonna happen. So we did have some good things. We got the oil pan off and we got a lot of stuff done otherwise. But that's gonna do it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Give us some tips, please, to make us get this done faster. So thanks a lot. You guys have a great one.